Sales thought finance had sent the quotation. Finance thought project had started because they were looking for information instead of seeing it. Marketing dashboard. At the end of every month, finance received dozens of questions. Let's build the most important dashboard. In week 1, we organized our business. In week 2, we connected every department. In week 3, we tested one complete customer journey. Now, you have probably discovered something interesting. The biggest problems weren't because people weren't working. The biggest problem happened because nobody knew what was happening. Sales thought finance had sent the quotation. Finance thought project had started. Management thought everything was on schedule, but nobody actually knew because they were looking for information instead of seeing it. That's exactly what we are solving this week. Today we are building dashboard that help every person in your business make better decisions. Let's begin. Now, marketing dashboard. Imagine walking into work on Monday morning. Instead of opening 5 different reports, you open one dashboard. Immediately you can see how many inquiries come in this week, which campaign generated the most leads, which source bring your best customers, how many inquiries haven't been contacted, which campaigns are wasting your budget. Now ask yourself, do you know this information today? Or do you ask someone to export an Excel sheet? Or maybe you don't check it at all. A dashboard isn't just about numbers, it's about knowing what needs attention right now. This week, creating a marketing dashboard inside Zoho CRM, including only the metrics you actually use to make decision. Don't build 20 widgets, build 5 that matters. Now let's move to sales. Every salesperson starts the day with one question. What should I work on first? Your dashboard should answer that instantly. Imagine opening Zoho CRM and seeing new lead assigned today, follow-up calls due today, deals closing this week, deals stuck for more than 14 days, revenue expected this month, activity overdue. No searching, no filtering, everything is already there. Now think about your current process. Do your salespeople spend more time finding work or doing work? A good dashboard removes confusion. It tells people exactly where to focus. Now, finance. At the end of every month, finance received dozens of questions. Which invoice are overdue? Who still hasn't paid? How much revenue did we generate? What expense increased this month? How much GST do we own? Imagine answering all of these questions without opening spreadsheet. Your finance dashboard would show revenue this month, outstanding receivables, bills waiting for approvals, cash collected this week, upcoming payment deadlines, profit trends. Management doesn't need every transaction, they need visibility. Build dashboard that answer questions before someone asks them. Now, your project team. Projects rarely fail because people forget to work. They fail because nobody noticed delay early enough. Imagine your project dashboard showing projects on schedule, projects at risk, task overdue, upcoming milestone, team workload, completion percentage. Now ask yourself, can your project manager identify a delayed project in 10 seconds or only after the customer call asking for an update? Dashboard should prevent surprises, not explain them afterwards. Let's move to support. Imagine opening your help desk every morning. Instead of reading every ticket, you immediately know open tickets, high priority tickets, tickets overdue, average response time, customer satisfaction, tickets waiting for customer reply. Now your support manager knows exactly where attention is needed. No guessing, no manual checking in boxes, just action. Finally, let's look at HR. People are the heart of every business. Your HR dashboard should make workforce management simple. Track things like employees are present today, leave request waiting for approval, attendance trends, late arrivals, upcoming birthdays and work anniversaries, recruitment status, performance review deadlines. Instead of asking HR for updates, manager can see everything themselves. That's the power of visibility. Now, let's build the most important dashboard, the CEO dashboard. If you are a business owner, imagine opening Zoho every morning and seeing your entire business on one screen. Sales, revenue, projects, support, cash flow, outstanding payments, employee attendance, marketing performance, everything. Not every detail, only the number that help you make decision. Remember, management dashboard shouldn't answer every question. They should tell you where to ask the next question. This week's exercise is simple. Create dashboard for every department, then ask each department head one question. If you would only see 5 numbers every morning, what would they be? Those answers become your dashboard. Remove everything else because dashboard aren't building to impress, they are built to help people make faster decisions. Let's recap. This week you learned how to build dashboard that actually matter. You created visibility across every department. You identified the most important KPIs. You reduce the need for manual reports, and most importantly, you give every team the information they need before problems become emergency. Remember, software doesn't create better businesses, better decision create better businesses. Dashboards simply make the decision easier. Next week, we will begin automating the repetitive work that slows every business down. Because once you can see your business clearly, it's time to make it work automatically. As you build your dashboard, you probably realize something. The data is already inside Zoho. The challenge isn't collecting it. It's presenting it in a way that's actually useful. Maybe you need a custom CRM dashboard. Maybe you want finance KPIs from Zoho books. Maybe your CEO needs one dashboard that combines multiple Zoho applications. These are exactly the kind of improvements you can build with ZDIY. Zoho do implementation yourself. Instead of hiring someone every time you need a new report or dashboard, you will work alongside a personal Zoho tutor who guides you through creating it yourself. You will understand your own data, build dashboard that fit your business, and gain the confidence to make changes whenever your business evolves. And to help you get started, you will also receive 5 hours of free Zoho support. Visit Educator and build dashboard that don't just display data, they drive better decision. See you in the next week.